Okay, we're on page 1. We're starting with our black pen. Okay, right across the very top line, you are going to write introduction. Your introduction is the first paragraph in a persuasive essay. This is where you introduce whatever you're talking about to the person who's reading your essay. What you're going to do is you want them to actually read your whole essay. If you start out by saying something like, "Today I would like to discuss with you how I think that we should maybe have iPods," nobody's going to want to read that because it's going to be wicked boring. So you want to start still in black with what is called a hook. So write hook in black. Now you're going to switch to your blue pen. And your blue pen is going to describe the hook. And your hook makes a reader want to finish your paper. Oh, work for me a little bit better than that, my friend. There you go. Makes a reader want to finish your paper. Now, make sure that you're writing small as you do this, because this one doesn't take up very much space, but some other ones will. Excuse me. So, still with blue, we're going to keep going. You can write, can be a joke, story, fact, hypothetical, basically what you want to do is grab the reader's attention. Okay, now we are going to switch to our black pen again, because the red, remember, is exact words that you can use. Okay, so the next thing after we have our hook is we are going to introduce our topic. So write topic down in black. Now you're going to write in blue. This is a blue pen. What you are writing about. Now, there are a lot of different ways that you can do this. One way is to say what some people believe about your topic. That's the example that we're going to use today. Now, we're going to use our red pen, because the red means words that you can actually write on your essay to help you get a good grade. So, I also put quotes around the things in red. So we will start with, some people believe ... end quote. Now, the ... means that you should be able to write in something after that. Okay? You should be able to write in something after that. Now, what you're going to do in your paper is you'll say, let's say we're talking about iPods. You could say, some people believe that we should not be allowed to use iPods in class. Then what you're going to do is you're going to switch to your black pen and you're going to write thesis. The thesis, you'll remember, we're switching to blue, is a strong statement of belief and why. And I'm going to give you at least 3 ways that you can say your thesis. The first one is the best, we're in red now, the best choice is ... The next one is we must ... The third one is I believe ... Now you want to make sure that what you're writing on your paper is exactly like this so that you can see how to do it. Now, after that, you've got to remember to give your 3 reasons. So I'm going to put another quote. I'm going to do ... which means there's stuff that you wrote before it, because ... end quote. By doing it like that, you'll remember that you need to write because at the end of your thesis. Now, as soon as you finish that, you're going to go right into your first supporting paragraph or your first body paragraph.